guys, this is my Lego puzzle box, and here it is, 360 view. Okay. So what you do is, first you come over here, you think, oh, I don't have a key. Ooh. Sorry. First you think, oh yeah, I don't have a key. See, I can't do anything. Well, if you take that out and you take your thumb and see, when you push it, this key comes out, and then you put it in the slot. Then you push it. Oh, sorry. You push it, and your change is more better. And you can just get that again. Yep. And then you just take this and slide that in like that. And you will take this and slide it back in there. And then you want to take your tray. Oh wait, the quarter. There. Put in the tray. Do it one more time. Take it out. Push. Key comes out. Then you have your thumb in it. Then you take it out. You point. Put it in. Show you. Just putting my finger on the thing, and the tray pops out, and your key is there, and you like that. I'm just gonna put it back in there, like that. And then you just reload the stick like this. Oops, too bad. This thing came off of that. It's fine though. Just put that in there. But if that ever happens, you can just go like that. Put that back on like that. Okay, now time for the mechanism. How it works. Okay, how it works. How it works is, when you stick your finger in there, the key comes out like that. And when you go like this and push it, it's just going until it touches that. That is my Lego puzzle box. And I'm going to be doing the tutorial in about a couple seconds. Not on this video though, sorry. You gotta watch my next video. And please comment, subscribe, and thumbs up for more videos. Thanks for watching.